Hi, everyone. Thank you for doing so much work. You guys have been doing great. I really do miss you guys. A couple of things for today. First of all, I have posted some answer keys and I messaged a lot of you guys about getting some work into me. And so you can check your Infinite Campus too. If you look on your OneNote, there is an answer key on how the cell operates. This is my answer key where I colored things in, answered some of the same questions. I messaged a couple of you guys. I could tell that a few of you did not actually read the chart and the information. It was funny because when I was checking, some people had X's in every box. Just a little bit of a review. Nucleus is going to be the control center. A chromosome is going to store information. It actually stores genetic information. The endoplasmic reticulum is like a system of tubes. It transports materials. Your Golgi body is going to package your materials and package the proteins. A lysosome releases enzymes and helps with digestion. And a ribosome is what's going to assemble the proteins. So you can look at that one. We also have the anatomy of the cell. And I highlighted a couple areas on here that maybe you can glance over before you begin your quiz. Just the way that I did this, I had to enter the different pages separately. Of course, the cell is the fundamental building block of the body. And if I go down here to this one, the function of the chromosome is to store instructions for cells' activities. Where proteins assembled, ribosomes. Where is RNA manufactured? RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. And then the structure that transports proteins, the endoplasmic reticulum. And what is the function of the Golgi body? It coats the proteins with a molecular layer that allows the protein to leave the cells. Lysosomes, I said, release enzymes and they help with digestion. Vacuoles are storage sacs, and vacuoles are a little bit different in plant and animal cells. In a plant cell, there is a central vacuole, which is a large vacuole that contains water. And when the leaves start losing water through transpiration, those vacuoles in a plant will kind of collapse. And that is when the plant starts to wilt a little bit. You also know that the mitochondria produces energy in the form that the cell can use. They're known as the powerhouse of the cell. My puppy dog came in to say hi to me. Hi, sweet girl. Okay, so then here's the cell diagram. Oops, let's see. Right here is the one that I posted for you guys to look at. And we have these little vacuoles. These are the lysosomes, the mitochondria. The endoplasmic reticulum, which you can see looks like a series of tubes. The Golgi body looks like a stack of pancakes. Over here, you're going to have the nucleus, and inside the nucleus, the yellow part is the nucleolus, and the little RNA or chromosomes in here. I also posted, down here will be your building block answers that you can read through, and your cell structure. Let's see, I will have the answer key for this also posted in the morning for you to look at. So you're going to take your test, your quiz. It's 20 questions. It is timed, and so you only have 90 minutes to complete that. Once you start it, you cannot close out of it and start it back up again. You just have one try to do that. When you get finished, I would like for you guys to please look at the human anatomy. And everybody should have the human anatomy. And this will be kind of fun. We are just going to do a quick review of all the different body systems. If you look at your learning goals on here, one of the things I always like for you to look at is the vocab. And you can see that we have cell, tissue, organ system, and organism. That was a portion that was on your study guide that I told you not to worry about until the next section. Notice on here it says dissect a frog in order to observe the external and internal structures. Since we're not at school and we aren't going to be dissecting, I am going to post a video for you to look at on frog dissection. I really am sorry that you're going to miss that. For today, after your quiz, we have an Amoeba Sisters Human Body System, and right up here I posted a link for you to watch. And I would like for you to try to do a picture of some kind here. We're talking the levels of organization, the cells, tissue, organ, and organ system. And then you can also look at the different body systems. Down here we have the circulatory, digestive, the endocrine, excretory, integumentary, lymphatic or immune system, the muscular, nervous, reproductive, respiratory, and skeletal system. And so each day I'm going to have you guys work on a different body system in the next couple of weeks. So here the body systems directly involved, give at least 2 of them for the scenarios, and you can draw a cartoon if you are able to do so. If you have any questions, please make sure that you email me and ask me. And good luck on your quiz. I know you guys will do well. I miss you.